Hi, my name is Cristina Campos Andrade. I am a student using administration in the Universidad Nacional Abierta de Distancia. Next, I will make the description of my favorite place, the restaurant La Pesebrera, which is located in La Hormiga Putumayo via to the international branch, where we can taste typical food of the region as well as dishes a la carte, the special of the house in the bandeja paisa. Following B is of the delicious food dishes that's made on the menu from the most basic such as salchipapas, hot dog, chicken and fish, seafood, and is of the dishes preferred for the user, natural juice, sodas and cocktail too. I had an excellent restaurant service and large place that consists of 3 rooms where you can perform and kind of special events such as birthday celebration, degrees, meeting, and much more. Also in a synthetic court for saucer lowers, ping pong table, the jumping games for children as well as there is a bar where we can buy variety of national and foreign liquors for the days of varied days. It is a passion to be here is this opportunity to invite you to visit the magnificent place where you will serve be a select group of waiters, of service and other and administration. Thank you.